Not again.
You have such a beautiful voice.
I was like this.
Look at his new haircut.
It's not finished yet. You can't look at it. No wonder people think I'm gay.
Why? Because somebody stays with me.
No, if you put on Amberlynn, that would make the best video ever.
Dance.
I can't do it.
Ready? Ready? Here, I'll do the white girl dance. Ready? Ready? Oh, shit, how do you do it? Wait, okay. Wait, no, I don't even know how to do it. I think it's like, I don't know.
Oh, baby.